piece by Mandolin Orange is going to be played in standard tuning and will be capoed on the 2nd fret of the guitar. The intro is going to be a C chord to a D chord to an F chord. The way that we make the C chord is you'll have your ring finger on the 6th string 3rd fret, relative to the capo of course. Ring finger on the 6th string 3 fret, your pinky finger on the 5th string 3 fret, your 2nd finger on the 4th string 2 fret, you'll have an open 3 string, and you'll have your 1st finger on the 2 string 1 fret, open 1 string. So there's your C chord. The 2nd chord of the song is going to be a D chord, where you just take this exact same C shape and just slide it up 1, 2 frets. So now your ring finger will be on the relative 5 fret of the 6th string, pinky finger on 5 fret of the 5 string, 2nd finger on the 4 fret of the 4 string, open 3 string, and 1st finger now on the 3rd fret of the 2 string, still open 1 string. And then the 3rd chord will be an F chord. The way that this F chord gets made is you will put your ring finger on the 5 string 3 fret, pinky finger on the 4 string 3 fret, 2nd finger on the 3 string 2 fret, 1st finger on the 2nd string 1 fret, and then you're going to grab with your thumb the 6th string 1 fret, the low string. You will leave the 1st string again open. The open 1 string you can hear resonating throughout pretty much every chord in this song, and almost serves as a droning anchor for every single chorus, or not chorus but chord. So that's the intro: the C to the D to the F. Sometimes in the C chords it sounds like the 2nd finger may get lifted up. Also in the F chords it sounds like the 2nd finger may get lifted up to expose either the open 3rd string or the open 4th string as those occur. The strumming pattern for the whole song is just going to be down, up, 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 down, up. So that's the intro that repeats through a couple times. Whenever we get to the verse is going to be a C to an A minor to an F to a C to a G. So let me talk you through that. The C chord is going to be the exact same as before. In these verse chords though, you'll be alternating between the 1 and the 5 of the chord. So for the C chord it would be pluck on the 5 string, then go down, up, and then pluck on the 6th string, and then down, up, and then 5 string, down, up, 6 string, down, up. Then the A minor chord. The A minor chord, you'll have an open 5 string. Your 2nd finger will be on the 4 string 2 fret, your ring finger will be on the 3 string 2 fret, and your 1st finger will be on the 2 string 1 fret, open 1 string. And the alternating happening here is open 5 string to the open 6 string, the open 5 string, and that's so we've got our C to the A minor to the F. Same F as before, but in this F you'll be alternating between the fretted 6 string and the fretted 5 string, and then you go to the C chord and then to the G chord. On the G chord, it's just a standard G major chord. Ring finger goes to the 6th string 3 fret, 2nd finger goes to the 5 string 2 fret, pinky finger gets pulled back to the 1 string 3 fret, and strings 4, 3, and 2 are open. After the G chord, it then goes back to the F chord, and then back to the C chord, and then it comes up to the D chord, and then back down to the F chord. And then after this, it does another round of verse of C to the A minor to the F to the C to the G to the F to the C, back up to the D, back down to the F. But then after that second round of verse, it goes into the chorus. The chorus will be a D chord, the same D chord as before, down to the F chord. In this F chord, it sounds like more often than not the 2nd finger is left up with the open 3 string, comes back up with the D chord, back down to the F chord, back up to the D chord, back down to the F chord, and then repeats back up with the D and F, and then goes back into the intro chords of C to the D to the F, C to the D to the F. and then it just repeats from there. So those are the chords and the movements to Belly of the Beast by Mandolin Orange. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.